Good morning, lawn care family. This is Deere. This is Quick Cut Premium Lawn Care coming to you from Conyers, Georgia. About to take care of an install for a new build and kind of did some video for you so kind of check out what we're working with. Got my guys right here putting in the work, and we about to show you what we're about to do. All right, lawn care family, we're about to close it out. I'm about to show you our finished product, and we're gonna ride on out of here. Greetings, lawn care family. This is Deere coming to you from Conyers, Georgia. We're here in part of the slow part of the season as we are preparing to take care of this property right here. I wanted to kind of let you know what I'm going to do. All right, as you can see, we got some of the rough edges here on the driveway, and I'm gonna cut a little bit of this tree back here so that I don't lose an eye as I circle it. I'm gonna cut it back some, cut it up to my height so I won't lose an eye. And over here, we're gonna cut these bushes down. And let's see, like I said, we're gonna kind of clean up the edge on the driveway here a little bit. In the back, they have a lot of leaves that have fallen because that's where a lot of the trees are located. And so, as you see, mostly going to be a lot of mulching and just kind of, just pretty much just mulching these leaves up, turning them into dust. And got a little job ahead of me here. Now, I remember cutting this down here a while back, and we cut it all the way to the root, and it came back with vengeance. Look at that. It was just a big tree stalk. Now we cut it down, it's turned into about at least 18. So we're gonna need to get the saw out here and get these taken care of and try to somehow poison this root here. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures, let you take a look at it, and you'll see what our results are in the end. All right, lawn care family, this is Deere coming to you once again, about to show you the finished results. All right, here we go right here. we'll start off with maybe taking a look at the trees, kind of cut the trees back so that, you know, we, like I said, didn't want to lose an eye. You see the curve right down here where we got it cleaned up. All right, and clean the little area up here on the street. Our edge right here of the driveway. As well on the opposite side. You see how clean that is. All right, this was our other tree right here that needed to be cut back. We got that cut back. Got our bushes all lined up nice and neat. Got that real nice. Clean up the area back here where we mulch these leaves out. So you can see we got those leaves all out of here. And we actually turned it into a usable backyard again. All right. I appreciate you all viewing. This is Darian Quick Cuts Premium Lawn Care coming out of Conyers, Georgia. And I'm about to cut out, but lawn care family, you cut on.